Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce and in today's video I'm gonna share with you this unboxing. It's about a stand that I'm using very often and I think that it's very helpful if you are in a desk or in a dining room with your kids and you are feeding them and you just don't want to be grabbing your phone so it won't get dirty. Here is a stand for just using your phone or phone calls, even FaceTime calls or even meetings as well. Okay, so I'm gonna show it to you right now. Let's get started. Let's do another quick unboxing here. This is an adjustable cell phone stand. I just got these from Amazon. I chose the silver one. This is to hold your phone and this is the base. Okay, so let's see how the base looks. The brand is OMotion and you just put this here like this. Do a little bit of zoom out so you can see how it looks from this side. This is to avoid slippering. And then you just place your phone like this. But I bought this because it's a little bit longer than the usual stands and you can also pull it up a little bit more. This is as high as it will go. If you take video from here, then it's not the same as if you take it from here, for example. You have to do this so you can see my double chin. But when I do this, like this, you get to see more like forward instead of still your head like this. So that was another feature that I loved from this and it's been working great. It's not very robust. It can be a little bit fragile. You can see it from here and you can also turn it this way and it has this anti-slippery material so it won't slip as easily. If you're interested in getting one, I'm gonna leave the link on the description down below. I hope you liked this video and if you did, please don't forget to click on the like button and on the subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching and see you the next time. Bye bye.